I am very late. Um, I had interesting health issues to deal with. Very stubborn. I did not upload anything yesterday kasi nagsasawa kasi ako pag dire-diretso. Oh, I have 2 hours left. Okay, so today's... Wait, am I recording? Hold on, let me just check really quickly. Yes, I am. I'm testing recording on the phone. I'm hoping the microphone is good, but if it's not, I'll just go back to the old microphone. Uh, hmm. Let me see. Wait. So, Paris Sound Memories. Living room, Paris Sound, Ontario. Design a rustic living room for a family cottage in Paris Sound, Ontario. Okay, so let's look at that. This family just finished the renovations on their cottage. Can't wait to try it out. Rustic living room. Okay, that's up my alley. I like to make rustic stuff. Which is good because we don't have money. We're broke. Hindi pa ako nagre-replenish. So, rustic living room for a family cottage in Parry Sound, Ontario. And that seems to be it. Yun yung peg natin. Rustic living room. A beautiful space to create wonderful memories in. Okay, fair enough. Ah, I see. I am not a big fan of the door. I don't like covering doors. I would keep that. Arte ko. I know, right? Probably not with a curtain. Privacy. Yeah, but like if you look at the windows and the other door is already open. So that's a little weird. Don't you think? That's a weird design aesthetic. You could probably do frosted doors or frosted glass doors. But anyway, that's just me bitching. So that's one of my specialties. So, so that's a lot of slots. Hopefully we have enough space. Let's see, a sofa, side tables, a table, coffee table. It looks like ottoman. Yay, no bed. Beds are very expensive. So living room lang siya talaga. Yeah. Still not a big fan of the curtains, but okay, sure. I'll bite. hmm Start with the sofa. Yes. What have I got? Rustic. Uh, I like the idea. I do not like the color. Not very particularly rustic. This one's always good value. Shizuo Modern. Yeah, or this one. Ooh. No, this one. I like this one. It's a work in progress. I'll figure it out later. Ooh. Sana pareho siya ng kulay. Sana magkalapit siya ng kulay. Yun, pwede. Ooh. But I also like that one. So, it's not have any resonance. 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 May resin. La 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 la. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I'll discuss later. Dali lang. Basically, when I start, I just try to see what materials I have available first before anything gets made. So there's no actual peg yet. Well, there is a peg, which is basically rustic. Um, so when we used to play that as children, and tawag done, like I name something and then it's improv, right? It's basically improv. Like, I say a word and then you respond with another word that you think of in the moment. So if I say red, you say, I don't know, Coke. Sorry, my brand. Shoes, like uh Wizard of Oz, basically. And then I say rubber, because rubber shoes. And then you say band, because rubber band. Something like that. So when I'm making things, you start with the peg. So my first peg was rustic, and now I've created an argument which is a very a dark red brown, right? So ngayon, yung susunod sa kanya has to follow that or derive from the surrounding space. And if you look at the pattern on this table, it's basically the floor lifting upwards. You got the same pattern, same lines, and it helps that it's actually the same. So it looks like I drew a circle on the floor and then pulled it upwards, extruded it upwards, which is kind of nice, while using the same color as the wood on the chair. So that's what we're doing to the person asking why. There's no why yet because we're still building it. But the hope is that eventually, when it's done, it will be tightly knit. It will be, yeah. I like that one too. So okay, I have my basic heading. So I can go with this one. The problem with this one is it's too gentrified. If you look at it, it's very modern. This is one of those things, fusion. It's wood. It's got a lot of wood, but medyo zen din siya from this angle. But the shape is very contemporary as opposed to this one, which is really essentially more traditional. Even the material works. There's a little bit of modern in there, like this junction right here, where the back and the rear legs meet. That's not really traditional furniture, but there's enough traditional features to counter that, which is okay, which is nice. All right, so that's the heading. Mm, and so rustic is generally not too difficult, not too difficult, not too difficult. Um, kasi you have a very specific color palette. You've got a lot of browns, some beiges, some whites, um, burlap, canvas, rough textures, basically. Um, yeah, katsa, basically. Mm, and then of course your greens, your yellows, your oranges, your some red. So, syempre, it's still a somewhat elegant space, or at least we're trying to break um, stereotypes, which is something that's fun to do. So we don't just lean towards the um grabe ang dami ko. I'm sorry. Now I'm thinking. And it's a little hard to explain and think at the same time. We're not just leaning towards the stereotypes of, well, it's supposed to be rustic, so everything should be rustic. So this is automatically rustic. It's basically a block of wood, right? But why am I not using that? Because the coffee table in the center is already very heavy, and I don't want them to argue. It's pulling attention from the coffee table. So if I use this one instead, mukha silang negatives nung kabila, which is fun. I like that. It's not boring. And hindi siya nagde-detract from the coffee table. And it would be so easy to overpower the coffee table because it's essentially just a flat block of wood. So you have to be careful not to overpower it. One of those things. Uh, so not that one. Maybe this one. Depende. Let's see. Yeah, I have a tendency to like putting weird, non-conformist stuff. So like if you're asking for contemporary, I'll put a little bit of rustic in there. I'll try to work it in. Or if you're asking for rustic, I'll put a little bit of contemporary in it, which is, the thing. Oh, it's 790 right now. Okay, let's go. Very useful. So I was going to buy that. Boring kasi kung everything is the same. So you want to no pins. Sorry. Yeah, may sumasagot na achi ike. Yeah, don't pin, don't pin. Wait. Okay. There's no table that I like. Let's see if I can find eclectic. Just for fun. Yes, I like this. It's black and hindi siya bagay. But I like it. Hmm. It's okay. Trying to figure it out. Ooh, yes, but no. Yes, but no. Sige lang. Um, why? Because there are angles, and if you look at the rest of the room, ang dami ng angles na nag-start. So that sort of works with it. Plus the glass is a good counterpoint, a good foil for all the wood. We're writing, Like we're writing, but it's not. It's writing, but it's not writing. Okay, I would have used this one, but it's black, which is problematic. Kung dark brown siya, it would work. Unfortunately, wala pa rin siyang swatches. So, no bueno. Blurred. Okay, let's go by brand. No. Desperate measures. Yeah. So mukhang yung table yung headache. Yung table yung headache. Why? Because you can see the silhouette from here, so I want it to be perfect. Right? But yeah, you can see the silhouette from here. So, well, yes, silhouette. I mean the word silhouette. I'm not because it's the shape. You see, the background is white, so it's very stark. That's the first thing you look at. If you remember, the eyes actually move towards the uncomplicated shape in the room. So everything else in the room has something connected to it, like the floor, the table. So the eye interprets that as a mass. Now, if we put this in grayscale, for example, now let me just explain because somebody was wondering. No. Dali. Wait. So if you can't see it, let me show you. Right. So I'm going to convert this into um, color saturation. Desaturate that shit. And then let's put punch the contrast just a little bit so it's easier for you to see. Okay, and then I'm gonna because it's not something you see immediately. It takes practice. Um, no, I'm not being condescending. Some people don't have that. Some people do. Some people don't. It's okay. It's part of life. Okay, see, right there. We are now at the point where you can see it. I hope. I hope. Um, or I think so anyway. Okay, so if you look at this, makikita mo, this is a mass of shade, right? If we brush that, it's now mass of shade, shape, and shade, right? And it's the same with the table, pero hindi kasama yung wall. Why? Because the walls are white. So this is the general shape, which means your eyes are actually going to notice this first. It's gonna notice everything else, but it will notice that first. Diba? Kasi the eyes think, oh, this is a little too, the eyes will think that this is a little too complicated. It's a large mass. It's not in so many words, but yeah. Una mong makikita to, which is why we're taking our sweet time trying to find the right table. Yep, that's why. Ooh, do you work? Do you work? Maybe, but it's a little expensive. Nasan to? BWR. No, it's a little too red. Yikes. It's this one. See Joybird. Joybird. No, I saw that earlier. Classico. You have something for me? Let's see. Ratan. Ooh. That starts a new argument, but I don't like the shade of wood. Doesn't work. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can get another one. Hmm. Mahal. No. So, yeah, of course, some brands are a little bit on the expensive side. So, no. Ito. Ooh. Seriously, I want this, but it doesn't. Um, actually, pwede yata. But no. Hindi, mali pa rin yung legs. Yes, I know. That's life. Kaya, saan ka na? Nawala si ano. It's bulb. I like that. Mm, because it gives it that tiny bit of what on earth is going on, which is necessary to make it not boring. You find the point of predictability and then you break it. Yeah. Wait, let me see if I can find something else. No. Wala talaga. Ang hirap maghanap. No. No. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry for my French. I am very conversant in in French. Let's see. No, I don't want to use that. Merong mga ano eh, tama yung shape, mali yung kulay. Or, hindi, actually wala pa ako nakikitang saktong-sakto. Minsan bubunuin mo yung price eh, pero mali talaga yun. This is close, but that's not the right shade. Meron talaga minsan eh, sobrang tagal hanapin. Hindi katulad ng, ano, I want this one, but it's black and it's not working. Buti sana kung gumagana eh. Hindi siya gumagana. It's annoying. No, I want this one. Why? Because of the curtains. It balances the curtains. Napaka-specific kasi ng curtain. That's why. Yeah. Has to be balanced somewhere so it doesn't stick out. Unless you want it to stick out, but really it's in the wrong space. Where's the West Elm? Oh, is it forgivable? Let me see. Ah, pwede. Nagpalit ako ng argument. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait, wait. Ano yan? Apartment 2B. TWR. Ito yung kanina. Masyadong red. Much too red. There is no need for that much red. Ano yung kanina? Wait, 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 wait. Nasaan si... Wala tayong undo eh, no? Apartment 2B and Apartment 2B and ito, si Ren. DWR Ren. Hmm. Mhm. Ay, harap. Ano? So. Saan tayo? Weebaler. Weebaler! Okay lang yan. Ganun talaga ang buhay. It takes all kinds. Pwede. It's cheap. It's not the right shade. It's a little lighter and it's pero meron dalawang light list apartment 2B. Hmm. Pwede naman. I mean, grabe looking for excuses, running out of choices. Running out of choices. Looking for excuses. Story of my life. Story of my life. Dali. Hindi, pwede na siguro yan. How sad. Pwede na. Actually, mas bagay pa nga ito eh. Mm. May pinagkukunan naman siya eh. Yung ano, yung glass panels. Katabi niya eh. So, sakto lang. May echo naman siya. Tapos may repeating pattern naman ng angles. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna hold it at that and then I'll sing. I'll sing first. Babalikan ko. Aya! Bumin. Parang may dahilan yan. Kasi nagre-reklamo ka, bakit ganito, bakit ganito. Wait. Wait, child. I shall explain. No. Yikes. Baka ito. So with that, not perfectly happy with it. Wala na ba ako ng ano? Wala na. Yung brown na raw. Yung ratan. Yung material. Ratan na. Ay, what? Oh, color brown. No, not this one. I had a round one. Although that still works. That still works, of course. Saan yung bilog? Bilog. Man, it doesn't even register as brown. Why? Saan kita nakita? Saan kita nakuha? Nawala ka na. No. Darn it. Sustainable. What? Yung tags mo hindi gumagana feeling ko. ah, pwede naman yan. Okay lang. Sige, you know what? I think I'll go with that. Hindi eh. Merong ano eh. Naubos ko kasi. Wait. You know what? I'm gonna search for it. Because wait. Challenges, all designs. Nasaan yung bilog na brown? Naghanap. It's old. Ito. What are you? Specialty decor. Winter. No. I bought it with diamonds. How sad. Boo. Naubos ka na eh. Oh well. Fine. Such poverty. Much wow. Di, okay lang yan. Tapit muna. Tapit! Yeah. Oh, wait, no. And it's either this one, because it's got a little bit of green, but it's a little too red, or this one. I like this one. It's my high contrast. Okay, I'm gonna go with that one. Whee! No pins, no pins, no pins. Okay, wait, let me shift. Like this one, but I also like this one. And the logic is different. Um, wait, I'll show you. No, not that one. Wait. Ooh, maybe. Different logic. Okay, I'll show you all three of them. So this one, um, practice in seeing, exercise in seeing again. Um, let's use this. So, diba ito, the shape of that is like this. It's a little round and a little sharp. So this echoes and this highlights and this, right? Pati ito actually. Lalo siyang tumatambok. Basically, that's one. And then, I also like this, but for a different reason. Ang hina-highlight naman niya, ito. Right? Tapos mas malapit siya sa shade nito. So ito naman yung kanina, yung mga bilog. Ito, yun. So, what are words? But yeah. I like this because of the color. One more. So tatlo siya. But all for different reasons. I like this for the color, but what it does is different. Ito lang yung kapareho niya. So nagbabalancing act siya between the two. So yun, three possibilities. Either that one, which connects with the curtains. This one, which connects with the snake plant and the poofs. And this one, which connects with all the round things in the room, the very round things in the room. So obviously, I'm gonna go with the snake plant kasi nagta-triangle siya, umiikot siya. So kanina, may nagtatanong ka nga, well, what if we don't use the poofs? We can use a different poof, pero kasi this is perfect for the curtains because there is the initial argument of the curtains being, what is that? Marsh green. That shade of green. I think it's marsh green. No, it's a little marsh green. Little olive, a little marsh. So, sakto lang to kasi tumatalon siya to the poof and then to the snake plant. But with the additional benefit of, okay, if you look at the poof, yes, in defense of the poof, if you look at the poof, the shape is very irregular, but of course it's a beanbag. And if you compare that to everything else in the room, which is very structural, kasi it's primarily wood, no? It's very structural, very rigid. Everything is hard. This is an aberration. So your eyes think, hey, look, something weird, which is nice. We want that. But we don't want it to be so strange that it is out of place, which is why the color and the shape helps to tie that into the design. That's what we're doing, essentially. Yeah. Okay. So, let me just get thicker. So I'll probably get something that is. Wait, let me see. Parang, nice. But maybe not. Yeah. Wala kasi akong black. Wala akong pinagbubunutan. Ang black ko, minimal yun nasa likod. This is a little too genteel to this one. Maybe that one. Think about it. Di pa ako sold on it. So, pwede rin. Mas naka-highlight yung green. Sana lang hindi siya ganun kalaki, no? Ang laki niya eh. A bit big. No. Why? Because it's too cold. The yellow is too cold. It doesn't really work with the shades in the room. Medyo warm siya. Kasi necessarily warm because the aesthetic is rustic. Cold na rustic. No, that doesn't work. So probably this one. It's either this one or ano yun? This one. Oh, but I also like that. Meron siyang wood elements. Okay, I'm gonna go with that one. Sige, fine. Final answer. Let's see. What are we gonna use? Oh, pabigat. Pabigat na. Tama. Ooh, maybe. No. Okay. This is nice, but the black is too heavy. And I don't have enough black to offset it in the room. Meron yung yung chairs. Actually, gusto ko palitan yung chair. Hindi siya perfect. Pero, it's okay, but it's not perfect. And I don't want perfect. Material. Okay lang. Okay lang siya. Yun yung pinaka eh. It's okay. But it can be better. It can be better. Pwede yan. May bilog. Tapos yung iba may bilog din. Maybe. Maybe. Nasaan si Pooh? Yeah. May Pooh. Oh. Nawala yung table ko. Nasaan ka galing? Nasaan ka galing? Nalimutan ko na. Sorry. Nasaan galing yung table? Sa apartment 2B ba or sa DWR? Grand. Apartment 2B. Hindi ko pa ba binili yun? Hindi. Kasi nawala eh. Obviously. I went with... Oh no! I don't know what I went with. I went with something else. Oh, that table. Oh, okay. Interesting. Apparently that table. Well, I wasn't sure. But this also works. And this also works. And this also works. Ooh. For different reasons. Hindi, masyado siya mabigat. Hindi pwede. Cannot be. Patingin, ano yung tapat mo? Not sure. No. Hindi ko masasabayin. Maybe not that. Blue orange. Havana. Havana. Okay lang. It's interesting. I wouldn't want to sit on it. Masyado siyang mainit. Ayan, cute. It's not rustic though. Hala. Kalayan rattan side chair. Oh, interesting. Pero nagpalit ako ng white. Hindi, magiging beige siya. Hmm, this is interesting. I like this. Mhm. Hmm. Ay, pwede. Pwede naman. Parang siyang yung Sherlock chair. Pwede. Okay lang. I guess I can go with that. I don't mind. Or for people. Pili muna natin ito. Before anything else. Bago tayo maglabas natin. Ayan. Kaya ito din eh. Yes, I'm mumbling. Because I'm thinking. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. I'm okay with that. I can live without the consequences of my actions. No, not that. Siguro nothing here. Because it's too matchy-matchy. So if I put, wala, dalawang tray, one space, siguro flower. Or maybe that one, a bulb. Naubos na si white potted ZZ. Tulog. Maybe that one. Pwede naman. Nope, it's a lot. Conservation of space. Nope, no, I don't think so. Hindi. Feeling ko hindi na niya kailangan. Gilding the lily. It's already nice. Without anything else on it. Same with the pillows. Hindi talaga ako naglalagay masyado ng pillow kasi nakaka-detract siya minsan sa design. Kind of annoying. If it's excessive and unnecessary, then I don't want it. No, that's not working. It's the wrong shade. But I only have 854. Oh no. Wait. Sorry, hindi ko pa doon napagtan. Oh. Ta-da! No. Wrong. Pwede, but it's too big. It's annoying. Maybe this one kasi nag-echo yung outside. Tsaka yung snake plant. Snake plant. Yeah, right? It does. It do. No, it's too fat. The shapes are not in that direction. The shapes are in this direction. Ito dapat eh, but the black frame isn't working. Money. Tapos biglang ginano, no? No. Ito talaga. Ito yung pinakamalapit. Or this one. If this were smaller, I'd consider it. Pwede rin to, yung may sungay. Ah, ha. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya pwede. Pangit tong angle eh. Oo nga. Hindi. And then this one needs replacing. Depende. If I find something that works out, then yeah, sure, maybe. Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. What is there to see? Nothing. Ooh, maybe. What are you? What are you? Are you? What is the material? Industrial siya pero mukha siyang wood. Ulit. Pwede. I might. Kasi mas malapit yung kulay niya. Hmm? Wait. I'll show you later. Oo nga. Ito na lang. Ay, nito. Ubus. Ubus ang budget. Again. Alright. So, the why. The why of that. Kasi, diba, if you look at this, wait, let me just watching that. Okay, if you look at this is, what is that? Milk brown, parang mocha, light mocha. It doesn't derive from anything, maybe except for the wall hanging. And it makes it lopsided when you do that. This one, wala siyang kinukuhaan, actually. Pwede mo sabihin halfway point, pero masyado siyang malaki. So it's just awkward. It doesn't derive from a lot of things. This one, may echo siya. Ang echo niya, nandun sa coffee table. Let me show you. Kasi meron siyang parang round, well, cylindrical, almost cylindrical thing. Diba? So, nag-echo siya pababa. So, okay lang. Tapos, dark brown pa siya. So, medyo nandun din siya sa sahig. Merong very dark brown. Kaya, that's why. So, mas okay siya. Kesa dito, wala kang pinagkukunan eh. Ang hinahatak niya, yung pader. Diba? Tingnan mo yung corners ng pader. So, lalo mong nafe-feel that you're stuck inside the cage, which is not a nice sensation. This one, mali talaga yung kulay nung wood. So, that's the only thing I look at. And I don't really notice anything apart from the painting. And I don't want to do that. Kasi sayang naman. Sayang naman yung decor. Doon ka tumitingin lang. So, mas okay to. I'm gonna go in that direction instead. Yeah. Ito, pwede rin to. This one. Hmm. Hindi kasi ako masaya doon sa border nito eh. Masyado siyang light. Pwede naman. Okay lang. Kasi nagsa-stand out nga siya. The reason it works, kinda, is because kulay green. Wait. It's easier to show. The reason it kinda works is because this is green, this is green, this is green, this is green, this is green. So, meron siyang pattern. Diba? Yun yung dahilan. Primarily. Like I said, this would really be nice, but the black is too heavy, and I don't have a balancing argument for that. So, no, I don't think so. Ito, okay lang. Ito, pwede. Problem niya, wala naman, pero dumidiretso siya dito sa kabila. Dun sa, dun sa poof. Kasi it's the same shape. They're both round. So your eyes start here and then move there. Tapos nagsastuck ka doon. Gumaganon ka lang. Bumabalik-balik ka lang. Which, I might get wary of that. Ito kasi complete yung ano niya eh. Yung pattern niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos bababa ka dun sa plant on the side. So that makes a lot more sense. Even though the frame is light brown, I would rather not have the frame light brown. But here we are. Here we are. Okay. Okay. No. Siguro. Why not? Um, because it feels unbalanced. The no, the placement looks unbalanced physically. So para siyang malalaglag, which I don't like. And feeling ko pagkatabi mo siya, gusto mo siyang saluhin every time. Oh no, don't fall. So hindi talaga. Hindi talaga. Ganun talaga. Okay, so hanggang dito talaga tayo. This is it. This is it, Pasig. I might, wait, let me see if I can replace this with something else. Tighten that shape. Ara, no. Sorry. Ano yung kanina? Wala. It was this. No, just second guessing myself. Always healthy. Just checking if I could make it tighter. No, that is the right piece. So it's good to know you make the right choices. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna go with that. I've got how many slots left? Let's see. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots left. So still um no throw pillows or accent pillows. Kasi most of the time when I make the design, I usually go for the shape of the sofa, and I don't like them being ruined. So I very rarely use accent pillows because I like the shape of the sofa. Eh, to each his own, really. Hmm. Depende. Siguro kung ano, kung super comfy yung space, I might go in that direction, but this is a more structural space kasi it's primarily wood, so I don't think I will. I'm gonna go with that. Wait, let me just run through this really quickly and then I will. Hindi, inuna ko yan kasi hinahabol ko yung timer. Oh, I like that card. That's nice. Boom. Yay. Okay. So, that import. Pero napaliwanag ko na eh. Napaliwanag ko na eh. Sige, sige, sige. Fine. Oo nga. Okay lang, okay lang. Ayan. So, like I said, this is a pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your eyes are actually going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung una. Green windows. So it's an illusion of a window. It's not really a window. We pretend. Okay, and then of course we have the shape, which is round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Naka-perspective siya, pero round pa rin. 8, 9, 10. Aha! And then we have the shape language ng angle. Obviously. So here, 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 here. Ito, partial points. Halfway point ng round. Kasi, fluffy edges. Round and angled. Yung share sa likod. Ito, round and angled din. So, dalawa siya. Combined. Ito din, round and angled. So, syempre, nag-asawa na sila. Tada! Naging round and angled. Halfway points. So, angled, angles. Ito din, angles. Yeah. Ito, obviously, angles. Ay, shucks. Hindi mo kita. Anyway. Angled and round. So, yun. Puro ganun yung shape natin. Round, angles. Round, angles. And then we have lines. 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 Lines! Yan. So, lots of lines. Yeah, repeating pattern ng lines, basically. Oh, dito pa. Pinaka-obvious. Nandyan. Nandun din siya sa table. Yeah, so many lines, actually, because it's wood, which is the point. And then, of course, the material is white canvas, wood, the material and texture, white canvas, wood, rough surfaces. Ito. So, nandito din siya sa ano. So, native. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, we call them native materials. Native yung texture. So, there's a lot of brown, white, hindi mo naman kailangan i-point out eh. Pero, obvious naman na brown. So, the brown moves around the room, obviously. And not very obviously. It moves around the room. Tapos, yung center mo, nasa gitna, syempre. And then, you also have the whites jumping around the room. So, you got white. Tapos, meron ding white Tapos, meron ding white yung in-between spaces ng pillow. And then, may kamag-anak din siyang white sa gitna. So, medyo halfway point pa nga yung sa gitna eh, kasi it's a little warm. So, it's like the halfway point between brown and gray. Yep. And what else did I miss? Ito yung colors natin, diba? So we have, wait, let me just get that out. Brown, and then white, warm white, and gray, basically beige. And then the greens, of course. Ayun siya. Yep. Pati syempre yung background, obviously, the background is, the outside is green. Pero we're looking at the immediate room, the room inside. So, yeah, yun yung ano, green. Ta-da! More or less. So, as usual, if I remove that, if you look at that, ang movement natin, it's harmonious enough. Yeah, it's harmonious enough to actually, actually go in this direction. Which is weird, right? Kasi you would start here, but because I used the white, tagal natin hinanap to pero na-ignore ko siya. Because I used the white, it blends into the background, so you don't quite see it immediately. Nauuna to because of the size. So, una mo siyang titingnan, tapos ito pa, meron pang subtle direction yung yung leaves. It's like saying, hey, look here. Tumitingin ka naman, uto-uto ka kasi. So, titingin tayo doon. Titingin tayo doon sa tinuturo niya. So, titingin tayo sa, yeah, ganun talaga. It's part of it. It's part of the psychology of it. And so, we move in this direction. Actually, hindi nga kasama yung chair. Yung poof, actually, makikita mo yung poof kasi katabi siya nito. Yun, gaganon siya. So, your eyes are gonna go, why is that there? And then, it will start a new argument. You're gonna go, I'm sorry. You're gonna go, in that direction. So, dalawa yung circle natin. Isang through the browns and whites, isang through the greens and blues. Not that circle, this circle. So yun yung final product.